In today's video, we are going to cover how to add a payment method for a client in Clio Manage. Once you are already signed in to Clio Manage, move to the left-hand navigation menu and click Contacts. This takes you to the area where client records are stored. From there, find a client whose billing details you want to manage and open that contact record. After the client page loads, look for the billing section or any billing-related options on that contact page. The layout can vary slightly depending on the account view, so focus on the area connected to billing and payments. When you are in the right section, locate the part of the page that shows payment methods or payment information for that client. Next, click Add Payment Method. This opens the Clio Payments form where the client's payment details can be entered. Use the fields provided to enter the available payment information. Follow the form as it appears on screen and enter each detail into the matching field. Once the payment details are entered, continue with any required billing information associated with that payment method. Depending on the form, this may include billing details that need to match the payment information before it can be saved. Enter the requested information carefully so the record is complete. Before saving, review everything you entered. Check that the payment information is in the correct fields and that the billing details are complete. If the screen presents any prompts from Clio Payments, follow them to continue through the secure save process. This step is where the payment method is stored to the client record, so it is worth taking a brief moment to confirm that the information on screen matches what you intend to save. After the save is complete, stay on the client record and confirm that the new payment method now appears in the client's payment information area. This confirms that the method has been added successfully and will be available for future payments connected to that client. If you do not see it right away, look again in the billing area of the same contact page and confirm that the save process fully completed. The key result here is that the new payment method is listed under the client's available payment options. Thanks for watching. The client's new payment method is now saved in Clio Manage and available for future payments.